We're going to explore 3 fast and easy steps to add proper fractions with the same denominator. And explain why we don't add the denominators. Here the magic hack. Step 1. Keep the denominator. Step 2. Add the numerators, the top numbers. Step 3. Simplify if you can. Let's try 2 6 plus 1 6. Here are our 3 fast and easy steps. Step 1. Keep the bottom number, that's the denominator. Both fractions have the same denominator, which is 6. That means we are working with the 6, so we keep the bottom number as 6. Step 2. Add the top numbers. Now we just add the top numbers together. 2 plus 1. Now we have 3 6. Step 3. Simplify if you can. Let's make our fractions as simple as possible. To do that, we look for a number greater than 1 that divides evenly into both the numerator and the denominator. In this case, both 3 and 6 can be divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 3 6 simplifies beautifully into 1/2. Let's try another example. 4 6 plus 5 6. Step 1. Keep the bottom, so we keep 6. Step 2. Add the top numbers. 4 plus 5 is 9. Step 3. Simplify. We can convert the improper fractions 9 6 into 1 and 3 6. Simplify the fractional part. Both 3 and 6 can divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So the answer is 1 and 1/2. Wait, why can't we add the denominators? It's because the denominators tell us the size of the pieces. When we add like fractions, the pieces stay the same size. We're just counting how many pieces we have altogether. For example, let's look at 3 6 plus 2 6. If we added both the numerators and the denominators, we will get 5 12s. That means we are changing the size 1/6 into 1/12. It's not correct. So when we add like fractions, the pieces stay the same size. That means we just have to keep the denominator as 6 and just only add the top number, the numerators. To have a quickly review, first, we learned the 3 fast and easy steps to add fractions with the same denominators. Step 1, we keep the same denominator, the bottom number. Step 2, add the top numbers. Step 3, simplify if you can. So in this case, both 4 and 6 can divide by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. And remember, if your answer is an improper fraction, you may need to change it into a mixed number. And then we also learned that denominators tell us the size of the pieces. If we add the denominators, we will change the size of the pieces, which gives us the wrong answer. So always remember, we have to keep the pieces stay the same size. That means the bottom number, we have to keep the same number. So that's it. Just keep the bottom at the top and simplify if you can.